one, we have to discuss the structure of the neuron. You will see that this is the structure of neuron, and the head part is consist of the branch like structure is called as dendrites, and you will see that this is the head part of the neuron. The head part of the neuron is also called as the cell body or the cyton. Okay, the cell body is consist of the nucleus. This is rounded structure is the nucleus, and second one is small like rounded like particles is there. This is called as Nissl granules. Okay, what is the Nissl granules means? It helps in the protein synthesis. Okay, this is very important. Nissl granules are helps in the protein synthesis. Okay, and the next part, this is the middle part is called as an axon. Okay, the this layer is, you have to see, this is called as myelin sheath. Okay, the myelin sheath is produced by the two cells. Okay, first one is a oligodendrocyte in the central nervous system. Okay, in the central nervous system the myelin sheath is produced by the oligodendrocyte cell, and second one is in peripheral nervous system the Schwann cells or the neurolamocyte is produced the myelin sheath. You don't confuse. Okay, you don't confuse. First you think that the myelin sheath is produced, okay, in the central nervous system produced by the oligodendrocyte cells, and in peripheral nervous system produced by the which cell? Schwann cells. Okay, these, and in between the two myelin sheath there is a node of Ranvier is present. Okay, this is called as nodes of Ranvier, and these last the terminal end of the neuron is called as axon terminal. Okay, we have to discuss about the how the message is transferred the one neuron to the another neuron. Okay, first these branches like structure, the dendrites are receive the message. Okay, receive the message from the environment, and these messages transferred to the cell body. Okay, these received message is transferred to the cell body. Okay, this message is in the form of which? In the form of electrical signal. Okay, this message is transferred, message is transferred. Okay, message is transferred. This is the electrical signal. Okay, these these message is the in the form of electrical signal. This electrical signal is passed through the axon. Okay, passed through the axon and comes to the nerve ending. Okay, you have to see that this is a small rounded structure is there. In this it is called as synaptic knob. Okay, this synaptic knob is consist of the chemical means the neurotransmitter is consist in this synaptic knob. When this electrical signal is come in this site, then it releases the chemicals. Okay, these chemicals, then the electrical signal is converted into chemical signal, and this message is transferred to the another neuron. Okay, another neuron. Understand? Okay, you think that this myelin sheath is produced, but why the myelin sheath is necessary means the myelin sheath is passes the electrical signal safely. Okay, first one is the myelin sheath is forward the message safely, and the electrical signal speed is increased. Okay, the myelin sheath function means first one is it transfer the message safely, and the electrical signal messages speed is increased. Okay, this is the function of the myelin sheath.